What's up, guys? It's your boy Randy. Back another week. That's right. This time I ain't got no shirt on. You'll see. Most of y'all already knew your boy was already ripped. Anyway, yeah, something in my nose. Oh shit. Sorry, man. That's that coke that I snorted earlier. All right, niggas. So check this out. Most of you guys should know that I rolled a truck in September. And that shit was haunting me for a long ass time because I almost killed my friends. So I'm gonna tell you guys everything that happened that day before, because at the end of this video, I'm going to play the last song that we were listening to before the truck rolled. So most people say that they don't remember it after the first acts. I remember every fucking thing that happened that day. And let me tell you something. I was not fucked up. So it all actually started the night before. We were playing a football game. I believe we lost. Yeah, we lost. And my best friend, Donnie, shit, probably shouldn't say his name. Yeah, fuck it. He's Mexican and he's short, but he likes to claim that he's white, but he's Mexican. Okay, don't let him trick you. Yeah. So he asked to catch a ride with us, and I said okay, but he never showed up. So then my other friend, I'm not gonna say his name, Quinn Gabriel. He needed a ride, so we dropped him off at his apartment and shit. And then we just went home because the motherfucker decided to go do something else and wouldn't show up. So then he's texting me all night. Then he stays in one little kid's garage. Yeah, that sounds pedophilic. I know, kinda is. So then I asked my mom, yo, can I drive to go pick him up? And she says no. So then in the morning I asked, can I drive to go pick him up? She said, yeah. I don't have my license, mind you. This is the scariest day of my life, actually. So I drove uptown twice. First time I drove in the morning. It was cool, actually. I was a good driver. Uh, I was nervous the whole time, but then after I went uptown the second time, because the first time I didn't find him, it was cool. It was cool. I wasn't nervous at all. Parked real good. Drove around easy. Uh, dealt with traffic easy. And the second time I finally found the motherfucker, drove him back to my place. We were chilling out. Then my homeboys, Jacob Goring, G Money, Damian Stone, D dollar sign, Mike Milko, Mini Mike. These are my niggas. They walked over to my crib. I'm like, what's up, niggas? Uh, and so then we just start playing Madden. I'm whooping Goring's ass, G Money's ass. And then Donnie just says, I have to go home. And I looked at this nigga like, all night you was messaging me and you wanna see, you gotta understand my best friend. This is the type of shit that he do. He do this type of shit. And I kid you not when I say that. He does it all the time. Like, I'm not gonna say him, he's my best friend, but you gotta understand, this is the type of shit that he do. He do this shit all the time. Um, so I start driving him home, but I'm driving crazy and all wild and shit. And we get to the end of this nigga's road, and I take a sharp turn too fast and roll the truck. It rolls twice, then it stops. I'm upside down, can't feel my legs. I thought that I was paralyzed. They pulled me out. I was like, oh, okay, cool. You guys all right? They said, yeah. And then I started slamming on the truck, like, fuck! I called my dad crying, like, I broke my truck. The truck was my baby. It was a 2004 Cadillac. But anyway, so this is the music that we were listening to right now. I'm gonna play it for you guys. No Nobody judge. I repeat, no one judge. Because there are certain people who, if they comment on here, I will talk shit. Brady, you know who I'm talking about. Let's play this shit right quick. I've been reluctant to listen to it because every time I look it up, my body freezes up. I'm trying to listen to it. Rich nigga bankroll. Just a while ago, I used to wear the same clothes. I can see you fuck niggas from all angles. Skirt, skirt, hold up, pull up, take your main hoe. It's me. She gone off the molly, I'm gone off the weed. I do what I want and I do as I please. And if you don't like it, hotel it to these. It's easy. I make no mistakes when I count up the cake. But boy, if I do, man, I swear it's okay. Cause I didn't even do nothing today. I don't know why you don't like me. Cause go around my neck and I'm icy. I got a few guns, I shoot them for fun and make the fun niggas go nicey. Yellow bone, she got the clappers. She can't fuck with you broke actors. Fuck all you pussy ass rappers. All of you rappers are actors. Gone. Pass me the drink, I pour it up. I'm about to double up my styrofoam cup. Hoes show me love when they see me in the club. I'm too faded, I can't even dap you up. Pass me the drink, I pour it up. I'm about to double up my styrofoam cup. Hoes show me love when they see me in the club. I'm too faded, I can't even dap you up. Got all this ice on my motherfucking watch. I think he mad cause I'm winning and he not. You rappers hot, you better thank Mr. Guwap. Go steal his flow cause if you don't, your shit gon' flop. I'm getting money, niggas hating so oh well. You claim you real, but under pressure you gon' tell. I'm smoking loud, you can tell by the smell. Just made a jug off my motherfucking cell. I'm chasing the money, not chasing the fame. I got a foreign bitch, she look like she moved cocaine. For those of y'all who don't know, it's that nigga speaker knockers right here. I get to it fast and you for niggas in last place. Pass me the drink, I pour it up. I'm about to double up my styrofoam cup. Hoes show me love when they see me in the club. I'm too faded, I can't even dap you up. Pass me the drink, I pour it up. I'm about to double up my styrofoam cup. Hoes show me love when they see me in the club. I'm too faded, I can't even dap you up. Pass me the drink, I pour it up. This is the last part of this song that I heard, and I had to turn off my fucking radio. Well, it just turned off on its own. That was the last song that I heard in my car, and I regret it. Every time I tried to listen to this song before, I froze up whenever I saw it. Couldn't even push it. So, I got to share that with you guys. Like, subscribe, all that good shit. I'm about to get back to playing some 2K. Deuces.